In MCQ 7, this is a rather repetitive question that has seen multiple occurrence in O Level. So we're tasked to find out the identity of Y as well as Z. Knowing that Y here is actually a metal and that Z is a non-metal, it does give us a little bit of the profile, knowing that all metals will actually lose electrons to form a cation. Question here is, what is the charge of my Y? I'll just let it be N+. And in another case, for my non-metals, we're looking for the act of gaining electrons to form an N-ion. The charges again is unknown, so I have a Zn-. Now the clue then come in through the questions itself, whereby it mentioned that the positive ion is surrounded by 8 negative ions. Now I will then assume that if that's the case here, I'm looking for Yn+, surrounded by negative ions, 8 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, suggesting that if each of them is a 1- charge, N itself should hold a value of 8, giving me a Y8+. Now for the case of Z, the question mentioned that the negative ions here is actually surrounded by 4 positive ions. So with a Zn-, 4 positive ions of plus, and plus, suggesting that each, if let's say it was a 1+, I will know that my M would have possessed a value of 4, giving me a Z4-. So simplifying an 8+ and a 4- here, dividing both of them by 2, I'll be getting a 2+ as well as a minus here. So with that, I know that my answer of a 2+ and Z- is being shown in part B, and by merit a Y2+ and a Z- should I to move their charges in order to form an ionic compound with a 1 over here moving downwards to that of Y, I should be left with a Y1Z2, and we will omit out the 1 to give us the finalized answer of YZ2 seen in B.